Welcome once again. In this video, I want to show you how you can become anonymous on the internet space. That means when you're browsing or surfing the internet, nobody knows a particular location because your location is going to be changing just like that. I should refresh this again. You should see that I'm going to have a different country entirely. Let's take a look and see what we are going to have. So you can see I'm having this time around, I'm having Germany. So if I refresh this again in the next minutes, I'm going to be seeing a different country. So let me show you how you can do this actually. Open your terminal, right? Open your terminal. First of all, open your terminal here and then run this code sudo apt just hold on. All right, sudo apt update so that your packages can actually update, and then it will prompt you to enter your password. So when you hit enter, it will ask you to enter your password. Now if you click on this, it will start updating, but in my own case I've already done that, so I'm not going to continue with that. So the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to say sudo apt install a browser that will allow that to work. Install Tor. So Tor is the browser that you are going to install. So once you hit enter, but in my own case I've already installed Tor, so allow the Tor to install, and then the next thing we are going to install is sudo apt install ProxyChains. This will give you a range of IP addresses on the internet space that will make your location to be changing 247. So you can actually configure this. So install ProxyChains4. So in my own case I've already installed it, but you are going to install this and then install the Tor. That's it. All right, now the next thing we are going to do here is that we are going to enable the start the Tor browser. Right now we can actually do this. Say start sudo systemctl start, or you can say enable Tor. So once you run this code, enable Tor, and then you then go to start Tor. Right now, once you start Tor, next thing we can check out, we find out if Tor is running, and then we say this. So if I do this, you can see that it's running after you would have enabled it, or you might have enabled it. So that's it. And then the next thing we are going to do, we are going to configure the proxy chains. So we do sudo nano /etc/ right slash proxy chains right. Let's see, that should be proxy chain, or you can just give me a moment. Let me see. I don't want to keep typing, so let me see. Here, just 1 minute. So you could just check where the proxy chain could just say locate, right? Proxy. So to know the location of the proxy chain, locate proxy chains, right? Chains 4. So if you say locate proxy chains 4, now you see the path. So I'm just going to scroll up. Let me make this zoom for any other thing, so you can see everything I'm doing. So right here I can go up again. Right, go up again. So you could see that I have this. So I'll just copy this. That's the path I'm looking for. Copy that path, and then the next thing I will do, I will just say sudo nano, so that we can edit that path. Paste it here. So if you don't know how to use nano, you can actually use notepad. All right, I mean mouse pad, but this time around just do this, and then once you do that, come here. This was initially commented, so you are just going to uncomment it, and then this was initially like this, so you are going to comment it. Right, then once you are done with that, come down come down, come down, come down, come down to the end, right? Now, when you get to the end here, I'm scrolling so you can see what I'm doing. So when you get to the end here, just type this in, because by default, you are going to see this. You are going to see SOX4. SOX4 is going to be enabled. So comment it and then type in this SOX5. Right? Now, once you are done with this, press Ctrl O, hit enter, and then press Ctrl X to exit. So you're good to go now. Now for us to start, we can actually do proxy chains. All right, proxy chain to see if it's working. Proxy chains, ProxyChains4, ProxyChains4 space, and then we do you can do ifconfig to see, right? But then I'm gonna just start a Firefox browser. So if you say Firefox, right, we are running that with Firefox. So if you type in this, it's gonna load and bring you here. So when it brings you here, uh, type in this URL, dnsleaktest.com, hit enter. So it should show you the latest country that your IP is coming from here. So let's check this out and see, right? Let's see, notice that this will soon change, right? Let's see, dnsleaktest.com. Let us see if the IP changes from Germany to another country, right? So this tells you that your lab is completely anonymous. So if you like the video, like it, share it, and then if you're interested in joining our ethical hacking sessions, cybersecurity sessions, use the nearby or use the available button to get in touch with us, and then we'll take it off from there. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. So let's see, aside from using DNS leak test, let's see if we can use another site to see that. So we can also say, what's my IP? We can also say, what's my IP, and then hit enter. So when it opens up, you just check. So when this opens up, you can just check out, use the first link that will open to check that. Okay, so look at what's my IP. Let's see what it's gonna be, right? All right, so you can see it there. That's it. That's so you can actually check out your IPs, and then from here you can actually get the complete details about this particular IP. All right, so that is it. So to learn more, use the button to DM us and join our live sessions. All right, thank you for watching.